Right. So welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV, and I have some good news. Recently dropped a bit of bad taste. The news that dropped recently about the player was a little bit of leave a bad taste in a lot of people's mouth. But certainly back with some good news about the player now. We're gonna touch on that. We're gonna discuss that. But before we get into the details, please, guys, please do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you are here for the first time. Very, very interesting talking points this morning. I just want to get into that, people. We really want to get into that. So I would really appreciate it if you do that. Now, let's first touch on it. Trivante Stewart. He's the player we're going to touch on. So we all recently know that he left Salernitana in recent time to join Javar Mattis. Now, that's the interesting part of it. That's definitely an interesting topic. So with him joining Javar Mattis, people are saying, boy, it's a step back. Maybe it's a step to the Italia Serie A was a step too high for him. So all these talks were going on. But the important part about that now is that, very, very important, is that he's now playing some football. And despite everything that's happening in the world of football, it's very, very important that you are playing football. Extremely important. Now, I understand that, yes, we could say that it's a step back, but it also could be a step in the right direction for the player. He needed game time. He needs to be playing week in, week out. And that seems to be the case right now. So let's get straight to it. Let's get straight into the discussion. As you can see right here, so he got his first start in the matchup, which is very, very interesting, I have to say. Now, 80 minutes of football played under his legs. And when last can we say that Trivante Stewart got that much minutes under his legs? When last? We're going to go through stats. As you can see, that it's heat map. Played in low striker. The team played a 4-2-3-1 formation with Trivante as the lone striker, wearing jersey number 9. He finished the game with a 6.7 match ratings, which is not bad. Which is not bad at all. Came off in the 88th minute. Pretty much fairly decent heat map. If you can see that, I like the intensity for someone who hasn't played in much minutes. Now, let's get into his statistics. As you can see in the right corner. Goals 0, assists 0, shots on target 0. Got off 2 shots. He's just coming back. So that's certainly something that we'll work on. Let me just check this if you guys are seeing it good. Yeah. He's just coming back to playing football, people. So that is something that he can most definitely work on. Dribbles attempt 3, 0 out of 3. Had a total of 31 touches. Accurate passing, 14 out of 17 at 82%. That's actually quite good for a striker. Across is attempted 1, didn't complete. Long ball attempted 1, completed at 100%. Ground duels 1, 2 out of 7. Aerial duels 1, 4 out of 8. Last possession 12 times. That's not really out of the norm for a striker. Fouls 1, committed 1 fouls, 1 also made 1 tackle. Now, very, very important that this player continues on this path. So apparently the team is actually, the team is struggling. They lost the game 1-0. But I didn't get to see the game. I don't even know where to watch this game, actually. But the mere fact that they can get all of these details must have meant that the game would have been 1, televised, or 2, they're working with AI technology to get these information, to get these statistics, which is quite good. Now, in the event, I think, is that the... Okay, so maybe, just maybe, I can get to see the highlights for people. So, nonetheless, I'm going to clip up some stuff so you guys can see that and just add it to the video. Anyways, so it's a good look. I love the fact that he's now getting some game time, which I already say that is very, very important. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what is happening. He needs to get some minutes under his legs. It's very, very crucial that that's happening. Because at the end of the day, you must be playing football. I know a lot of you guys are going to say, boy, people are going to say anything. But I'm happy that he's now back on the pitch playing some football. And this is what I want to see. If he can continue on this path, 80 minutes, first game in a long while. First full game in a long while. Not full game, but first 80 minutes in a long while. I think that's good. Really, really good. So we're expecting to see him go into the margin, the long run of getting the 90 minutes. And then now, hopefully we'll start seeing the goals come in. Anyways, big up yourself, Trivante. Go and put in the work. And definitely we'll see how you reap the fruits of that. So big up yourself, people in the comment section. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. Big up yourself. We're out, people. God bless. Boom.